Hello, my name is Evgeny Vinnik. Normally you would expect me to talk about computing science, but today I would like to talk about something else, which is also near and dear to my heart. I'd like to talk about my birds and give some tips and reveal some secrets on how do I take care of them. Now at home I have two types of birds. I have golden finches and red factor canaries. These two types of birds have different characters. For example, golden finches, I have a pair here, the male called Vasenka and the female called Katinka, a female named Katinka. They always do everything together. For example, they always sleep next to each other, they love to sit on a perch next to each other, and they are a good pair, and together they fathered many chicks. On the other hand, here I have a pair of red factor canaries, male Petinka and female Lusinka. They doesn't really like to do things together. They like to do things separate. For example, they eat separately and they sleep separately on different perches. At the same time, canaries could be trained in the sense that, for example, we trained female Lusinka to come in and out of the cage as we talk to her, while finches doesn't really listen to you. Now, finches are fairly quiet birds. They just chirp from time to time, while canaries obviously famous for singing. Our male boy, Petinka, is a very good singer, and he always sings in the mornings.